Hello everyone and welcome to this video of Marg ERP, in which our today's topic is that how we can view the text summary of billed items at the time of creating the sale bill. Before starting the process, let's know why there is a need to view the text summary of billed items at the time of generation of the sale bill. For example, you have sold some goods to your respective customer or party on which 10 to 15% tax was charged, and now suppose that customer or party has to return or replace some items or goods out of the item that are being purchased. So as there is a provision that the tax on which items or goods are being sold, the return and replacement of those items will also be done on the same tax. So basically this option is being used to check the tax value, that whether we have the items or products of this tax value or not. And in Marg software there is a provision that you can view the text summary of the billed items in a single click on the billing window. And you don't have to exit from the sale bill window in order to view the text summary and the HSN code of those items or goods. So now let's come and see its process. Suppose this is the sale bill and you have to view the text summary of the items which are being taken in this bill. So for that you will simply press F10 key on the sale bill window. So this type of a view window will get open, in which you can view the text summary and the HSN code of the billed items. So friends, by following the simple process shown in this video, you can easily view the text summary of the billed items at the time of creating the sale bill. Thank you.
Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.